Damn. Yo, we about to go on the Titanic. We about to hit an iceberg. We about to crash. We all about to die. No, I'm just kidding. Look at this shit. I'm gonna go to fucking China. Oh dang, they got a giant condom here. Thank you. Yo, what's good, cuz? Yeah, thank you. Excuse me. I'm gonna take pictures of every single person.
You're in Long Beach.
I'm in Miami. Yo, I'm in motherfucking Miami right now, bitch. It's actually Long Beach. Only gangsters do this shit. I'm a real OG. Bitch, I got a little umbrella too. You got anything to say to the camera?
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. We love you, man.
He follows New York over there. Statue of Liberty right there. I'm in Miami. Bitch. Bitch.
Hey, take some pictures of the water, right? Oh, this is where you try to tell that joke, right? Over the age 18. Apparently, this is the best spot to get on the boat to make fun of me and trying to get on the drone.
Let's go, Eagles. Yeah, Rodney, where'd you get that?
Where'd you get that one? The band school.
Oh.
The flash.
I mean, that guy.
That's how you do it.
What's up?
I've been personal with Eddie. You got one advice for anybody.
One advice?
One piece of advice for anybody. What would you tell them?
Anime will ruin your life. You just had some alligator, Eddie. How was the alligator? I ate it before. It's pretty good. I wish I could have shown you, but
I got calamari.
But how was the alligator?
Alligator was pretty good. It was just mushy.
Got a salad. It's gone. Got some calamari. It's gone. What did you have? You had gazpacho, cold soup.
That's navy bean soup. Oh my god.
Oh. Never mind. I'm so sorry.
Hey, edit that out.
No, that's part of it.
It's gone.
You had
The duck pot stickers, and then I had the seared ahi.
Everybody had red. You had.
Chicken tenders. The alligator's really good.
What
It
a
had
little
different texture.
3-year-old.
Shut up. You were like, no, what the hell? You didn't eat some.
All right, we can see you now.
All right.
Selfie.
A selfie for you, stupid.
Yo, we got private photographer.
Chin up, chin up, chin up, chin up.
Oh, he did that. He's my mom. It's that one.
No, I mean like these.
Oh, I mean like these. I believe you. He's like, that's a good one. Look at these desserts.
Let me get both, right? No, I want ice cream. I haven't had ice cream.
We almost like.
Barbara, you missing out.
Happy birthday, dear Grandma and Happy birthday to you.
It's shining red. It must be out of battery.
It's flashing red. Is it out of battery? The screen's off in the back. That's the screen.